Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your weather podcast for this July 12th. Here we go, back into the humidity, back into that chance of showers, a rinse and repeat forecast for sure. Over the coming days, we only picked up a trace of rainfall yesterday at the Bowling Green Airport, but there were a few isolated showers and even a few thunderstorms that popped up yesterday afternoon, and I'm already seeing some on radar this morning as I do a time check here at 4:56 a.m. Central Time. And it looks like that pattern is going to stay pretty much unbroken. We got a break on the weekend, but here we go again, kind of like last week. Hopefully not as heavy a rainfall, but certainly the potential is there. 89 was the official high temperature at the Bowling Green Airport yesterday, and that's right on the average for the day. 68 was our low temperature, and that too is right on average. So for yesterday was a very typical mid-July day as far as averages go, and we're talking about 150 years plus of record keeping here in Bowling Green. Once you tally all of it up, you come up with an average. Yesterday was a very typical day in southern Kentucky for this time of the year. 1 year ago, we had a high of 92 and a low of 72 back in 2015. We're going to find some upper waves disturbances rolling through the area. We're watching a pretty good batch of thunderstorms rolling through Kansas City right now, where they have severe thunderstorm warnings going on. But that complex is actually weakening. But what it will do is, like I've described before, when you toss a rock sideways through a pond, across a pond or a creek or a river, and you see it skip, and then it forms these little waves, that happens in the atmosphere as well. So the wave that's coming our direction is already trying to spark some shower activity down around Murray, Kentucky, down around Dover, Tennessee, land between the lakes, starting to see some showers and even a couple of thunderstorms. So I think the activity is going to get started early today, and it looks like it's going to continue at times with maybe a drenching downpour, some lightning, gusty winds. We're not really calling for severe weather, but, a strong thunderstorm can't be ruled out. 50% chance of showers today, otherwise partly sunny, and we're going to see a high at 87 and a southwest wind at 11. Tonight, after some early evening showers, just partly cloudy, and where it does rain today, you'll pick up some patchy fog and a low of 70. And then for Wednesday, we're just going to put in a meager 20% chance of an isolated shower. Otherwise, it's just going to be hot and humid. I think the atmosphere is going to be more capped off by the hot air, the warm air that's over the area, as we get a strong southwesterly fetch. So we're going to go up to 93, but the heat index will be, say, between 95 and 100, maybe even higher in some cases on Wednesday afternoon. But by Thursday, here comes a frontal boundary that is once again going to make a run at us, then stall out in the Tennessee Valley, then return north as a warm front. This is what's been happening over the last couple of weeks. We get a front, looks like it's going to come through, then it only makes it as far south as, say, Middle Tennessee, around the Nashville area. Then it retreats northward as a warm front, and that keeps us in this rinse and repeat pattern that doesn't look to break anytime soon. So we're going to go with a 40% chance of a scattered shower thunderstorm on Thursday with a high of 92. Friday, continued 40% chance of showers, 88. Same thing for Saturday, 87. Same thing for Sunday, 89. Same thing for Monday, and 90. Did you hear any change in that forecast? Nope. I mean, yeah, okay, temperatures, they go from 88 one day to 90 to 92 on another day, but we're only talking about a 3 or 4 degree difference in temperature from day to day. So upper 80s to low 90s, overnight lows in the 70s, warm and muggy, hot and humid on some afternoons when it doesn't rain, and then a daily chance that somebody somewhere will get rained on. That's pretty much the forecast. And no change between now and Monday. So it is what it is. And it is done now. Thank you for listening so much. Know the weather before it knows you. Have a great day. I'll see you live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky, streaming live to the WBKO app and WBKO.com later this morning, 11 a.m. on midday. And then this afternoon, join me for my radio show, Classic Hits of the 60s, 70s, and 80s at SAM 100.7 between 3 and 7 p.m.